Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Shareholders of ice cream producers Kremi are demanding that the company cut back on some of its expenses. The shareholders voiced their concerns at the annual general meeting today after the company reported a dip in profits for the 2018-2019 financial year. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has details.
Caribbean Cream, which produces the Kremi brand of ice cream, is under pressure to return the company to profit growth. As it stands, the shareholders are worried that the company is trending in the wrong direction. As a result, one Kremi shareholder made this appeal.
Put a stop to some of these high-end expenditures. That's where the expense is. Not the petty cash that is circulating among the poor at the bottom. No. I want you as a board, along with the financial controller, to ensure that we cut back a lot of the top-end expenditure, because this is where the ruin is.
In response, CEO of the company Christopher Clark admitted that Kremi's imported bill for raw materials is a contributor to the high expenses, but he says fixing that problem is easier said than done.
As an island nation, I don't think we're going to get away from that as of now. There simply is not enough supply in the local dairy industry to be able to supply our needs, and I don't particularly see it increasing in the future.
Kremi reported operating expenses of $404 million for the year under review. That's a 25% increase over last year's spend, while operating revenue went up by only 8%. The company says increased staff costs, corporate taxes, and expenses relating to financial reporting standards also weighed down profits. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The government is exploring the feasibility of introducing electric buses as part of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC's fleet. The move will be facilitated under an electric vehicle policy which is being developed by the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams said that the potential benefits of electric vehicles in the public transport sector warrants a deeper exploration of the issue. Now, earlier this month, Minister Williams informed that the Jamaica Public Service will be installing charging stations as part of the necessary infrastructure to accommodate electric vehicles. We go on to currency trading. Today ended with the US dollar selling for $135.18. The Canadian dollar is going for $103.02. The pound is costing $168.32, while the euro now sells for $148.99. On the stock markets, the JSE index gained 1,709 points today. The junior market index is up by 45 points. Among the winners, Pulse Investments, Paramount Trading, Epley, General Accident Insurance Company, and Express Catering. On the losing side, JMMB Group, Stationery and Office Supplies, Portland JSX, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Main Event Entertainment Group. That's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.